Guys, there's what we call tracking on CapCut. This tracking, as you can you see this thing on my palm? It's called tracking. Anywhere your body move or anywhere your palm move, depending on which side you put the effect, that's what we call tracking. It will move the object as your body is moving. So that's what's called tracking. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching on how to do tracking, on how to do a tracking on your video. For those of you that is advertising something or that is saying something related to something, so you want to use an object to describe that thing. So this is an avenue for you to learn how to do it. This update, I got this update that was yesterday night, so I decided to share it with you guys. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, do me by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. So you enter your CapCut, you're using CapCut, you enter new project, then you click on the video we are using. Okay, so let's say, take for instance, we are using this video here. We are using this video, right? Okay, so let's go back first. Let's click on that video. Let's take for instance, we are using this guys, that's what you call. So can you see it will leave it at this side in the beginning of where the hand was up. Okay, so now you go to text, then you go to stickers. Now these stickers, now you see this side, this plus sign here, you click on it, it will take you to where your gallery is. So now you take what you want to use as a track. Let's take for instance, now you want to use Facebook as a track. You want to use this Facebook as a track. Can you see it? So now what you do now, you press OK. Now this side, you extend the Facebook to where you want to stop, like to where you want it to end. Okay, so now this is where my hand, this is where I dropped my hand here. Let's leave it at this place. You go back, see this side there is called tracking. This side here that is called tracking, you click on it. So now you move this point, now you fix it to where your hand want to move. Okay, you fix it in a place that you are in the point you want it to move. This side, me, I'm using my palm, you understand, but you can actually do it somewhere else like your head or anywhere, but I'm using my palm. Okay, so we extend it, let it be bigger. Okay, so now can you see it? Let me adjust it. Let's shift it up a little bit. So can you see it? So now let's tap on start tracking. So you tap on start tracking, wait for a minute to reach 100. So can you see this thing on my palm? So it's now can you see it? Let's play it from the beginning. See, can you see this thing on my palm? It's called tracking. Anywhere your body move or anywhere your palm move, depending on which side you put the effect, with your that's what we call tracking. It will move the object as your body is moving. As you see, this tutorial is not that, as you see, this tutorial is not that too long, but I just use it as an illustration for you to understand how tracking is. So if this video is super important to you, please like and share.